Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making chicken noodle soup. When I was in my 20s, I went on a quest to gather as many family recipes as I could. I went to both sides and asked the women to give me their recipes. This one was given to me by my dad's sister, my Aunt Emma, and it was her mom's recipe. I tweaked it by using a pressure cooker, but you can still use a Dutch oven. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is a whole chicken with the giblets. This is about 4 pounds. And you need diced veggies, celery, carrots, onions, package of chicken broth, 1 can of mushrooms, and your spices: basil, parsley, onion powder, and garlic powder, and 1 pound bag of noodles. And the first thing you want to do is rinse your chicken with cold water inside and out, and then place it in the bottom of the pressure cooker. And you add your giblets, the heart and the liver. And we'll be back when I get that done. Okay, the chicken's in the pot. You can see the giblets done in here. And now I'm going to start adding the veggies. This is 1 onion chopped. This is a half a bag of petite carrots cut in thirds. 2 ribs of celery, 1 can of mushrooms, and then I'm going to put in the chicken broth. And water till I get it up to the 6-quart fill line. And then I'm going to add the basil. I don't measure. Sorry guys. And the parsley flakes. Onion powder. And garlic powder. I'm going to keep adding water until it gets to the fill line, and then we're going to get started cooking it. Okay, it's up to the fill line, and all I have to do is add the lid, put on the pressure valve, and let this cook for 20 minutes. And we'll be back when that's done. Okay, pressure valve is on, and I'm turning the flame up to high. Once this starts rocking, I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-high and let it go for 20 minutes. Okay, the valve is rocking, and I turned the heat down to medium. Set the timer for 20 minutes, and in the meantime, I'm getting the water ready to boil the noodles. And we'll be back when this is done. Okay, 20 minutes is done. I put it in the sink, and I'm running cold water over the top until the valve goes down. Once it goes down, I'm going to open this up, take the chicken out and put it in a strainer and let it cool down until I can handle it. I don't want to get burnt. Okay, the chicken was put into the strainer and let to cool. And now that I can handle it, I just peeled the skin off, took all the bones out, and cut them up into tinier than bite-sized pieces. And there's the giblets, waiting for my sweet little kitty cat too. And there's the soup. And the only thing that it needs is the chicken put in and the noodles. And the noodles have been pre-cooked and sitting here waiting. And I've gone through this and gone through it to make sure there's no bones. So, I'm going to finish cutting up the chicken and get it all together, and it'll be ready to eat. Okay, it's all mixed together. I put all the chicken pieces in and the entire package of noodles, and this is all ready to be plated up. And if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.